Now, the Hindi film industry seems to be breaking its silence finally over Sushant Singh Rajput's death case. Vidya Balan, Taapsee Pannu, Richa Chadha and others hailed India Today's investigative report there.
After Taapsee Pannu and Ram Gopal Verma, Vidya Balan has now come out in support of Rhea Chakravarti. Vidya retweeted Lakshmi's tweet and lauded the actress for raising her voice in support of Rhea. She wrote, "God bless you, Lakshmi Manju, for saying this out aloud. It is so unfortunate that the tragic and untimely death of a beloved young star, Sushant Singh Rajput, has become a media circus. In the same breath, as a woman, my heart breaks at the vilification of Rhea Chakravarti. Isn't it supposed to be innocent until proven guilty? Or is it now guilty until proven innocent? Let's show some respect for the constitutional rights of a citizen and let the law take its course." In her tweet, Lakshmi mentioned about Rhea Chakravarti's exclusive interview with India Today's Rajdeep Sardesai, where Rhea put forward her side of the story. The ongoing investigation of Sushant Singh Rajput's untimely demise has divided opinion of the nation. While the CBI is currently looking into the matter, people on various social media platforms and in the media have already pronounced his girlfriend, Rhea Chakravarti, guilty. However, looks like the tides are turning and celebrities are slowly coming out in support of Rhea. Now that even the Central Bureau of Investigation, which is leading the probe into the mysterious death of Sushant Singh Rajput, independently told India Today that the probe team has so far not found any evidence to suggest that Rajput was murdered. The investigation, however, is still open. The team is focusing on the suicide angle and examining if a case can be made for abetment to suicide. Pulkit Samrat shared the article on the CBI update from India Today with hashtags Justice for SSR, Justice for Rhea Chakravarti. Richa Chadha replied to this on social media saying, "Is this the latest update? Wow." Swara Bhaskar, who is an avid social media user, recently replied to a post that highlighted the point that Rhea had shared details about Sushant's condition with his family. Swara questioned why this specific point was ignored and asked, "Does it seem like Rhea is being framed?" The chat messages reportedly revealed that Sushant's former manager Shruti Modi had shared Sushant's prescriptions with the late actor's sister in November 2019 and also the number of the doctor he was consulting. Aside from a handful of people from Bollywood, most actors have opted to remain silent for now. Rhea and her family members have been accused by Sushant's family of abetment to suicide, money laundering and criminal conspiracy, among other sections of the Indian Penal Code. Entertainment Bureau, India Today.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.